In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the source data for an Excel pivot table. Knowing where your pivot table is pulling its information from is really important, especially when you're troubleshooting numbers, updating reports, or handing a file off to someone else. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to locate that source, how to tell whether it's a range, a table, or an external connection, and a few things to watch out for along the way. Start by opening the Excel workbook that contains your pivot table. Click anywhere inside the pivot table to activate the pivot table tools. You'll know it's active when you see the field list on the right and a special pivot table tab or Analyze tab appear in the ribbon at the top of Excel. With the pivot table selected, go up to the ribbon and look for the option labeled something like Change Data Source or just Data Source, depending on your Excel version. Click that. This opens a window that shows you exactly where the pivot table is getting its data. If your pivot table is based on data inside the same workbook, you'll usually see a cell range here, something like Sheet 1 followed by a range of cells. You can click in the box and Excel will highlight that range on the sheet, so you can visually confirm the location and size of the data. This is especially useful if you're not sure whether new rows or columns have been included. If your source is an Excel table, you might see a table name instead of a traditional cell range. That's normal. In that case, you can cancel out of the window, go to the Home tab, choose Find and Select, then go to, and type the table name to jump directly to it. Tables are dynamic, so they automatically expand when you add new rows, which can help keep your pivot table up to date. If the pivot table is connected to an external source, such as another workbook, a database, or an online connection, the window will indicate that as well. You may see a connection name instead of a simple range. To inspect that in more detail, cancel the Data Source window. Go to the Data tab and open the Queries and Connections or Connections area. There, you can see where that connection is pointing and how it's set up. Once you've identified the source, you can decide whether to adjust it, leave it as is, or simply make a note of it for documentation. When you're done, click Cancel or OK to close the window and return to your pivot table.